In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money using Halifax Online Banking. By the end, you'll feel confident sending money quickly and safely from your computer. Before we start, make sure you have your Halifax login details and the recipient's sort code and account number ready. It also helps to double check those details in advance to avoid delays or misdirected payments. Begin by going to the official Halifax website and logging in to your online banking account. Use a secure internet connection and look for the padlock icon in your browser to confirm you're on a trusted page. Once you're signed in, head to the payments section. You'll typically find this on the main menu or dashboard after logging in. Next, select Choose Who to Pay. This shows your existing payees, making repeat transfers faster in the future. If the person or business you want to pay isn't already saved, click Pay Someone New. If they are saved, you can simply select them and move on to the amount. But for a brand new recipient, you'll set up their details first. Choose the type of payment. For most everyday transfers within the UK, pick UK bank account and specify whether you're paying a person or a company. This helps Halifax format the fields correctly and may influence how the payment is labelled on the other side. Now enter the recipient's sort code and account number. A sort code is 6 digits, often written in pairs, and the account number is 8 digits. Type these carefully and take a moment to verify each digit. In some cases, you may also be asked to confirm the account name to help check that the details match. If you see a warning that the name doesn't match exactly, review the information before proceeding, input the amount you want to send and click Continue. You may also see a space for a reference. This is helpful for the recipient to identify what the payment is for. Keep an eye on any daily or transaction limits displayed on screen. Before you finalize anything, review all the details carefully, confirm the recipient's name, sort code, account number, amount, and any reference. Small typos can cause delays, so this double check is worth the extra few seconds. When everything looks correct, confirm the transfer to complete the payment. For security, you might be asked to verify using a one-time code or similar prompt. Just follow the on-screen instructions. You should see a confirmation message, and in many cases the money arrives within minutes, though it can take a bit longer depending on the bank. And that's it. Your money has been successfully transferred using Halifax Online Banking.